We often engage with mining, minerals and metals plant operators who want to optimize their operations and improve safety. It excites them when we tell them the ANYmal story. ANYmal is an autonomous end-to-end robotic inspection solution that operators use to efficiently increase safety by reducing employee exposure to hazardous atmospheres, to enable better predictive maintenance by detecting equipment failures early, and to capture better data through more frequent and automated inspections. Mostly they know, but sometimes they ask, what makes ANYmal different? ANYmal collects thermal, acoustic, visual and gas information and interprets the data in real time. ANYmal operates autonomously in harsh weather and in complex facilities. This makes ANYmal the preferred robotic inspection solution for mining, metals and minerals. We would love to hear about automation and safety in your operation and share the ANYmal story with you.